The reason many people don't succeed is simple. They sacrifice what they want most for what feels good right now. Temptation often pulls us toward the easy road. It whispers to us, just rest, just give in, take the shortcut. For a moment, it feels okay to be weak, to give up, to indulge in comfort. But true discipline doesn't allow that. Discipline is choosing the hard path, the steep climb. It's doing what's right, not what's easy. It's sticking to your word, even when you no longer feel motivated. Because when you made that commitment, you were fired up. But life happens. Things get hard. Still, discipline is what pushes you to perform whether you're inspired or not. It demands strength, resilience, and relentless willpower. It may feel like discipline is the enemy, but in truth, it's your greatest ally. It will protect your dreams better than anything else. Putting things off is effortless. Saying, "I'll do it tomorrow," is tempting. But that mindset has to go. There's no tomorrow, only today. Get up, get moving, get it done. That's how progress happens. If you want something, don't wait. Rise, grind. Work harder than you did yesterday. Outperform your former self. That's how you become unstoppable. That's how greatness is built. Not in one big moment, but in daily discipline. If you don't improve, if you keep cutting corners, if you let your excuses win, you'll lose it all. No compromise, no exceptions. That's the price of greatness. You have to earn it every single day. It's your chance to prove, not to others, but to yourself, what you're made of. It's your opportunity to look in the mirror and say, "I am exactly who I claim to be." I know you have greatness in you. I challenge you to let it out. In everything you do, you must block out the noise, ignore the distractions, and stay locked in. Discipline is doing it over and over, with passion, with consistency, even when you don't feel like it. Trust the process, honor the process, respect the process. Talent alone isn't enough. Comfort never created anything extraordinary. The best things in life come from pushing past what's comfortable. If you can get used to discomfort, your limits will disappear. Watching others succeed is easy, but becoming great takes discipline, effort, and sacrifice. You can't stay in your comfort zone and expect your life to change. Growth lives outside that zone. Do the hard things, even when you don't want to. You owe it to yourself to see what your life could look like at 120%. No more excuses, no more delays. Not feeling well? Get up anyway. Your job is to show up, not to dream. Execute. Whatever is holding you back, leave it in the past. Yesterday was the last day of that old story. You are capable. You are ready. But only if you stop talking, stop explaining, and start doing. Every single day, whether you feel like it or not. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos and hit the bell icon.